Apple is set to redefine smartphone technology with the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max, an extraordinary leap that could mark a turning point in the iPhone legacy. Moving beyond subtle annual refinements, the iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces a bold new design language, groundbreaking hardware upgrades, a massive battery, cutting-edge camera sensors, and Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI features embedded deeply in iOS 19. For enthusiasts, professionals, and everyday users alike, this might just be the most complete smartphone Apple has ever released. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For years, iPhones have delivered dependable battery performance through efficient chipsets rather than sheer capacity. But in 2025, Apple is flipping the script. Leaks confirm the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. This puts Apple in the same battery territory as Android titans like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Google Pixel 9 Pro Max. However, Apple's edge lies in its optimization. The A19 Pro chip, built on a 2nm process by TSMC, works hand-in-hand with iOS 19 to deliver unprecedented energy efficiency. Combined with the larger cell, users can expect up to 2 full days of real-world battery life. Whether you're recording spatial video, navigating with GPS, or running Apple Intelligence in the background, this iPhone is built to go the distance. It's a true endurance champion in Apple's mobile lineup. The camera system on the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to include 348MP sensors, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. This uniform megapixel bump marks a significant shift in Apple's imaging strategy. Why does it matter? 48MP resolution across all lenses means crystal-clear photos in any focal length. Enhanced night mode, depth mapping, and HDR performance powered by the A19 chip. Potential for 8K video recording, an iPhone first. Combined with real-time computational photography and AI-powered refocusing, this camera system redefines mobile content creation. Expect features like live bokeh adjustments, multi-frame super-resolution imaging, and even interactive photo editing in the Photos app. Apple is finally embracing professional-grade optics across the board, and it's a massive win for creators. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple introduces Apple Intelligence, an ecosystem of on-device generative AI capabilities designed to work locally without cloud dependencies. But these features demand power, specifically, memory. Hence, the 12GB RAM upgrade on all Pro models. Apple Intelligence includes live transcription of messages and calls, AI-powered email summarization, instant voice-to-text note-taking, personalized suggestions based on user context, and more. All of this runs natively, keeping your data private and processing fast. The RAM bump is more than a spec sheet brag, it's a foundational shift for real-time AI multitasking. Design-wise, 2025 introduces more than just refinements. Apple may unveil a new lightweight variant dubbed the iPhone 17 Air, a thinner, more ergonomic iPhone with a minimalist design aesthetic. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max retains its titanium chassis, now with slimmer bezels, curved edges, a redesigned camera bump,